So I met Angelo a couple years prior at the gym, and we got to talking. I knew what he did for a living, knew what a great guy he is. So when my wife and I decided that we wanted to build a wall-to-wall bookcase, he's the first person I thought of. The reason I chose him was because of my relationship with him and because of how much I respect him as a person. But to spend a sizable amount of money for a project that you don't really know what you're going to get, there was a little bit of concern. I mean, he's a stand-up guy, so I knew he would do well by us, but I wasn't quite expecting him to do this well by us. So, like I said, he exceeded our expectations. So we talked at the gym about it, and he agreed to come over and check out the space. Showed up, I think, on a Saturday afternoon. We told him roughly what we were thinking of. He actually had a couple of suggestions that he thought would really enhance the project. We went with them, and here's the final product. We hadn't thought of cherry wood. That was his idea. He really thought that that would bring it out quite a bit in this room, in this space. We deferred to him and are ecstatic that we did. We absolutely love it. These guys came in, they were respectful. We almost didn't even know they were here. They just did their thing, met all the deadlines, kept us up to date about when things would happen, and it really was an effortless project on our end. He's a solid guy, a good guy, follows through on his word, reliable. I had no reservations in recommending him and his company. And then the quality of the work. It's the first thing that people see when they walk in the house. It's the first thing they comment on. I keep saying the same thing over and over, and I apologize for that, but completely exceeded our expectations and totally transformed our living room.